Hi, Rana here from Technical SU team for Lemon. Today we'll learn how to generate the API key from OpenAI. So it's the simple step. Just sign up if you don't have any account on the OpenAI. So in my case, I have the account. I'm going to log in. So I am going to use the Google account for this purpose. Continue with Google. That's my email address. So here you can see. Okay, let me change this. Yeah, let's continue. Okay, let's verify the captcha. Here's the last one. Okay, here you can click on this API keys. Here you can see I have generated many API keys. Or let me show you. After login, you will see this page or this dashboard. Come here, click on the API keys, click the create new key. You can name this API key. For example, Google Sheet. Let's resolve this captcha. Okay, here it is the API key, just copy and paste this. So it's a simple step, and you can generate the API key and use this through the Google Sheet software you want to use. So I have generated this for to use in this extension GPT for Sheets. Here I will paste it here, set API key. You simply paste here and save. So it's a simple step. Tap the like button, subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.